and my freebies, instrumentals.
You hear me? Yeah. Yeah.
Russell, get money, nigga, GMB.
Never stop, GMB, hit it to the top.
Damn.
Never going down, bitch, you hit them 50 shots. Phone ringing, mama put that bitch on vibrate. Middle fingers up for pussy niggas that gon' hate.
Damn.
Put my hand on my dick if you don't like it. Put this bitch in your mouth, bitch, but don't bite it. And the nigga throw his hands up, we gon' fight him. Man, we 50 deep, he ain't gon' have no fucking winning. Ain't no fucking game, I ain't playing, bitch, I ain't pretending. Nigga try to get loose if you won't. Bitch, you know we in it, downtown bound. GMB, represent GTFs, I don't give a fuck. I'ma rep this shit till my death. Bitch, I'm downtown boy.
Damn.
Put a 40 on my waist and I'ma set it off. Hear them shots ringing, yep, like a doorbell. Where I roam, little niggas giving old niggas hell. Give a fuck, bitch, nigga. We gon' rep till we all dead, bitch. Who sell wall bound? Bristle hard head, dreads in my motherfucking face. Hoes loving, got 26 inches on my motherfucking colors. If a nigga try to trip, grab a chopper and I bust it. Hit the natural hoe before I fuck her. My little girl sitting there and my phone ringing. I don't wanna talk money. Started coming, bitch feel good. Man, it's 8:12. It's 11 o'clock. Fuck it, I do it well. Got my hair swell. My little brother mauve. Fuck them hoes good. After we knock them off, they in the car, drop them off. And if a nigga trip, we knock them off. You hear them shots ringing. You hear my dreads swinging. Give a fuck, bitch. You see my chain hanging.
Damn.
But I ain't got it on.
Russell.
But I got fucking money.
Russell.
And I got stacks on deck. You see them hoes coming.
Damn.
I ain't got a stunt. Just let her look good.
Good.
You see me, bitch, in my hood. I could be in your shit, nigga, anywhere. If you won't do it big, nigga, I don't care. Give a fuck what you pussy niggas talking about. Fuck the North, bitch. I represent the South. Yeah. You dig? I just had to put that in there. You hear me? No disrespect to the North, but if y'all want beef, we can beef it out. You understand what I'm saying? I ain't tripping, bitch.
This night and my freebies, instrumentals.
I'ma jump back off. I put a bitch to sleep like a Tylenol. Yeah, she holler out, young Rizzle with dog. I swear to God, if I see you little boy, I'ma knock him off. He already know what the dirt I do. I'm from downtown, bitch. Nigga, I ain't heard of you. You married a who? Shit, no nigga from all my clique. I represent my whole dogs from that 18 shit. Rest in peace, Andy. The Poos just came home. I'm happy that he home. Shit, fuck with him. I bet you one of y'all niggas gone.